So let's get straight to it. We're looking at something different today. We are in the 1 minute chart right here. And I don't usually play the 1 minute. I play the 5 minute. But the reason I'm on the 1 minute is because I am testing my strategy, my exhaustion play strategy. Exhaustion meaning that on the 5 minute, this heavy sell off on the euro dollar since 7:20 in the morning. It is now 9:30. It's been 2 hours of selling. It's exhausted. Price is climbing back up on the 5 minute. MACD up, RSI up. Price is trying to break over the 13 EMA on the 5 minute. So on the 1 minute, I want to see if I can get a sniper entry. The market's about to open like in 10 seconds, so there's going to be extreme volatility. So let's see if I enter a play or not. I am looking for a 1348 cross. The blue line crossed the yellow. Right here, it crossed the 1348. The market just opened, so expect some volatility to happen. I want to wait till the next candle for confirmation. The reason why I want to take this 1348 is because price has been supported by this major support level. Came down, got supported, came up, got supported, came up, got supported, came up, got supported. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 taps of support. It has tried to break over the 48 EMA every single time, and it got exhausted. It couldn't. And right here, we got our first 1348 cross. So if this holds, I might enter for a long position. Let's see how it plays out. So we got confirmation right there. Let me buy.
Order
okay,
filled.
I just bought.
Order filled.
I need to set
Order filled.
my risk. Need to set my risk. Where did I buy? At 893. I bought pretty high. And my risk is gonna be 888. 888 is gonna be my risk. So on the 1 minute, we're playing really fast.
Order submitted.
So my take profit is going to be, of course, 1-to-1. It's going to be 897. I'm going to scale out a few contracts at 897. So at 897, I'm going to have
Order submitted.
right there. So we have our play. We are playing the 1 minute. We have separation of the EMAs, RSI going up, MACD going up. MACD is heavily separated. It crosses signal line. It's printing up. I just have to have trust in the system. Let's look at the 5 minute. If I get stomped out, I get stomped out. Oh well. On the 5 minute, it has crossed the 13 EMA. It went above. RSI coming up. MACD coming up. It hit the 24 EMA right here. Like I said before, EMAs are like barriers, so it's gonna hit for rejection. So on the 5 minute, my risk looks really tight because the 5 minute looks very different than the 1 minute. On the 1 minute, it looks like it's far away. I don't know if I should give a little bit more breathing room since it's the 1 minute. I do not know. Let's see. I'm playing the 1 minute in real time. I usually play, not usually, I always play the 5 minute, but I'm testing another strategy. On the 1 minute, it looks like a lot of risk, but on the 5 minute, it looks super tight. But I'm playing different charts, so I don't know how do I play this accordingly? How do I play this accordingly? How do I play this accordingly? So I might bring it down to, I think 887. One more tick down is where I'm gonna scale out and bring my take profit at 898, and we're just gonna leave it like that. So on the 1 minute, it got caught right here on the 13 EMA, got bought back up. So we're just gonna have trust in the play. Let's look at the 5 minutes. On the 5 minutes, still above the 13 EMA. The risk.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
Yep. See, the risk looks really tight on
Order
the
filled.
on the 5 minute.
Order
So-
canceled.
That's how you lose gracefully, right there. I lost the trade. And I have one more trade to go. So on the 5 minute, it just broke below the 13 EMA. So it's okay. I just wanted to try the 1 minute to see how it looks. There's still upside momentum coming up. There's still upside because the MACD is still going, the RSI is still going. Let's see. Let's look at my losses. So on this one right here, on the APX 30, I took I'm playing a little bit bigger, I want to use one account to play a little bit bigger and just to see how it goes, and then the other ones I'm playing small. And yeah, those are my losses. So I have one more trade for the day, and that's it. I'm only taking 2 trades a day. So that's my first trade, and we'll come back if I see another trade to enter on the second trade. So we'll be back when I get to it. All right, so we entered a short position. Well, RSI is curling up a bit, MACD cross, but at the time that I entered the short position, RSI was down. There was a MACD cross, and it's questionable to enter on this support level because it's been supported, but there's an EMA bounce happened right over here. And the reason I didn't enter on this candle off the EMA bounce is because RSI was still a little bit up and MACD still hasn't crossed. And I wanted more confirmation to the downside because since I lost already one trade, I want more confirmation on the second trade. So I have a 1-to-1. My risk is to the 13 EMA. Once it hits there, well, I'm done for the day, and I lost 2 trades in a row and just regroup after that. But let's see, there's still momentum in the MACD. EMA bounce, it supported, tried to go up, got rejected by the 24 EMA once, twice to go down. Now it's being in the supported level, so I'm kind of sandwiched. I'm sandwiched in a sense of price doesn't know where to go. In a sense, because it got rejected by the EMAs. The EMAs are still pointing down. We're still on a downtrend. If you scroll over here, back over here, previously yesterday, tried to break below, couldn't, 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 tried to break below, couldn't. Now it's attempting again to break below. So let's see. Let's see if we're finally gonna attempt to break below. We're gonna see. So I entered a short position, 1-to-1. As the play progresses, I will move my stop. My stop is there, respected. That's my stop, and that's final. That is my stop. I'm not moving that. By not moving it, I mean I'm not moving it up. I'm only moving it down. If the play keeps developing down, I will move my stop down. And my take profit as well, because it's a little bit far away. It's kind of far away. So I'll move my take profit up a tick. So once it goes down, I'll move it down a tick, and then I'll move it up a tick. So let's see if it gets supported, or if it's finally gonna break through the support level. You don't know when it comes to trading, and you're just gonna have to accept it. I've been on a 2-week winning streak, so I took my first loss just now, and I'm okay. I'm okay with it. It doesn't mess up my momentum or my mental, nothing. And if I lose again now, oh well, tomorrow is another day. It's just, it is what it is. Tomorrow's another day. But it looks like some buyers are stepping in, getting supported by this level. So we'll see. We'll see. Trading is it's kind of a flip of a coin. It's just high calculated gambling. That's what trading is. High calculated gambling. High calculated gambling. So let's sit back and see what price does. Is it gonna give me my 101? Is it gonna stomp me out? I don't know. I don't know. I do not know. Price is curling up. RSI is beginning to curl up. MACD flat. MACD flat. So I am playing a little bit more riskier. So let's talk about my Apex accounts. Right over here. Woo! I'm down a lot. I'm down a lot. I am down a lot. I don't know why this one is not following the others. So this one probably has 2 contracts. This one has 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, and this one has 7, but it looks the same. What's going on with my copy trader? What's going on with my copy trader? What's going on with my copy trader? Well, this is how much I'm down. I'm down like I'm down a lot today. And let's look at price. I'm a tick away before getting rejected. And if I get rejected and I get stomped out, that's it for the day, baby. That's it for the day. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm okay with the risk. I decided to play a little bit more risk. Because I am trying to pass these evaluation accounts. And if I kept playing small and scared, it was going to take forever. So I'm just bringing it down. I'm bringing the risk up a little bit more and bringing the process down a little bit less. So I'm 1 tick away to get stopped out, and it looks like I'm about to get stopped out. Actually, the MACD's up. MACD's up. Look at that. MACD's up. It crossed its signal line. RSI is coming up. I am about to get stopped out. I'm about to get stopped out. Only a miracle would get me back into profit, because it clearly got supported by right here. That's why it was a little bit questionable to getting into the trade. I don't know. It was a little bit questionable to get into the trade. But at the time, it did an EMA bounce. I'm like, well, I guess it didn't get supported enough. But now, it's getting supported. See, that's why trading is a 50-50 game, dude. You never know what the fuck is going to happen. Sorry for cursing. You don't know what's gonna happen. So you just have to wait till it plays out. You have to wait till it plays out. Who knows? Maybe I'll get a miracle. But I mean, we don't trade miracles here. Miracles don't exist in the stock market. What exists is it's calculated risk. That's what, and systems, psychology, and managing risk and capital. That's what exists here. So how many things is that? Psychology is first. Money management is second. Strategy is third. So 3 things. Look, I'm about to get stopped out. 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 About to get stopped out.
Stop filled.
Filled. Stop filled. Stop filled. Did I get all the fills?
Order filled.
Stop filled.
There you go.
Stop filled.
Well,
Order filled.
and that's how you
Order
lose
filled.
gracefully. That's how you lose gracefully. I'm on a two week winning streak. I can't win them all, dude. I can't win them all. So, what did we learn here today? Psychology, managing risk, trusting your strategy. 3 things. So, supported, came up, got rejected by the 24, got rejected by the 24, gave me an EMA bounce. Right here, EMA bounce. So, at the time, RSI was down, MACD was down. I'm like, okay. But there is a support level, so it was questionable. So, I don't know. So, but that's why you have your stops, so it doesn't go crazy. And then it got back up because it got supported by this level, and that's it. That's it. So, and that's how you lose gracefully. Well, that is all, folks. I only have 2 trades a day, and that is final. That is my rule. I used to trade 5-6 trades at a time, but I am not doing that. I'm not doing that. 2 trades a day, and that's it. The second trade gave me confirmation, but then I got stomped out. So, just gotta accept the loss. Alright, well, that is my tutorial of how to lose gracefully and stop trading and just wait for the next day. Alright, guys, peace. Look at price going back up. Screw you. Peace.